What's up, everybody? Christian Pearson here of PopCross Studios, and ignore boxes in the background, because as I mentioned in my previous episodes, I moved into a new apartment, and currently, I'm in the room that's not set up yet because my couch and all that kind of stuff hasn't arrived, but my YouTube studio is finally ready, but I don't want to show you yet. Let's back up a little bit to how crazy the adventure was trying to get it set up in the first place. Because moving to this apartment was crazy. Even though I don't have much furniture, I do have a TV and a desk and a computer and my drawing tablet and all my books and all that kind of crazy stuff.
Nerd box.
And, I was only moving about 4 or 5 blocks, so I decided to move without a moving van.
This was a bad idea.
I carried my TV, I split my desk into 2 pieces and carried it here, and then I carried my computer, and my drawing tablet, and my TV, and pretty much everything that I had until I'd gotten all the heavy stuff here, and then at that point I decided it would be a smart idea to borrow my mom's Mini and move the rest of my stuff. I mean, it's a Mini, so a lot of stuff didn't fit, but I got the rest of my stuff here after an absolutely exhausting weekend.
I'm not lying down because I'm tired. I gotta put these things in the underside of the desk. Not tired though.
So that was pretty hectic and crazy, and as you could tell in my video on Monday, which everyone should go check out, there's a lot of cool submitted art in that one, I was really exhausted. And then I had Comic-Con this weekend, which I ended up bailing on partway through, but more on why in the next episode. Spoiler alert, it's a collab. It's a collab with a pretty big YouTuber. Anyway, my new YouTubing studio's finally set up, and because I may or may not be working on a collab right now, I don't have time to do a drawing video for today, but I do have time to do a tour of my new YouTube studio. So obviously the most important space is this area where I've got my computer and my tablet and all the posters and these shelves. The shelves I actually put in myself because I really liked how in the old set I had the Funkos and stuff kind of in the corner, and I wanted to build that into this set here, so I put that up, and I think it's really great. I think it's one of my favorite parts of the whole set. And then on the wall, I've got lots of artwork by myself and lots of artwork by Derek Laufman, who's one of my favorite artists. He's one of my big inspirations, and he's an artist from the same province as me, which is super cool. Then I've got some stuff from Melmade Dukes, Punching Pandas, who's got his own YouTube channel. He live streams a lot. You can check that out. Not actually sure who did that Charizard. And then I've got a signed poster by Humberto Ramos, who I'm a big fan of, especially his work on Superior Spider-Man. And of course, a poster from one of my favorite movies of all time, Princess Mononoke. Also, you might have noticed I've got the last community submission redraw episode up as my background on my Cintiq. I'm going to do that from now on every month. Whatever art has been redrawn in the community episode for that month, that's going to be the background of the tablet. Want to have the community a bit more represented in the videos, and thought that was a good way to do it. Yeah, come on, I'm acting so tired and lethargic. I gotta pick it up a little bit. Sorry, everybody, I'm still a little bit tired from the move. Anyway, that's all the posters. Let's move on over to this little shelfie thing. So as you can see, I got a bunch of books and stuff here, lots of stuff that I've read, some stuff that I haven't yet, some stuff that I've started and haven't gotten through, and then of course I've got this Gundam robot here that I bought ages ago, and I have not been able to build yet. I just haven't had time to. Someday I'll have time to build this guy. Someday, but it's a cool box anyway, so whatever, happy having it here. Then you'll see I also have lots and lots and lots of booster packs. I'm sure you know what those are going to be for. Lots of random booster art challenges. Oh, and I gotta give a shout out. I'll do an actual shout out in the next official random booster art challenge. But shout out to Cohen Comer, who's done a random booster art challenge. I'll link his YouTube channel in the description below. A lot of you know him already. He was the original moderator on the Discord. He's a cool guy. Hey Cohen, how's it going? Anyway, moving on. Then down here we've got some traditional art supplies, which, I'll get to using at some point. Now that I'm in a new space, I'm going to experiment with some new kinds of videos, including a Jazza-inspired clay video, probably. Then probably the most important shelf is my art books, because there's a lot of good inspiration that I take from a lot of stuff from artists I like. Got all Derek Laufman's art books, got some stuff from some video games, and just you know, a whole bunch of cool stuff. And then of course my my Overwatch and Transformers art books didn't actually fit inside the shelf, so I had to put them up here. And then I've got this guy, which I'm gonna start a card collection in. Since I'm opening so many booster packs, I'm getting some cool cards. I'm gonna make a collection in here, and I'll probably do some more art related to my collection when it's bigger. Anyway, everybody, thank you so much for watching another PopCross Studios video. Sorry there was no art or drawing or anything in this one, but I hope you like the new studio. It's gonna be in the videos from now on, and if you've got any suggestions, I'm open to it, but I'm pretty happy with how it's looking so far. And thanks to everyone who watches these videos just in general, not even just this one. I love the community that's growing both in the Discord and the comments section and the subscribers. Everybody's so great, it's so positive, and all of your artwork that I'm seeing is inspiring me, and I hope that all my upcoming videos can help inspire you more to create more awesome artwork. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'm Christian Pearson of PopCross Studios, and welcome to the new official PopCross Studio. I will see you later.